And let me share again the screen. Okay, so ito po siya. So let me proceed.
Ben Glynn.
All right. So this is one of my page. So I'm the creator and nagka-create po tayo ng mga vlog dito sa Arcetex. This is me. All right. And this is yours truly. I'm already a platinum rank here. Recently po, last siguro mga 3 or 4 weeks ago, mga ganun po. No, so I just joined last April 24, 2023, and this is my 14 years and in a network marketing industry. And para lang po may information kayo about the speaker for tonight is I'm already in 17 years on OFW. So kung mga OFW kayo, so I feel you. Alam natin kung ano yung buhay ng OFW. And I'm here residing in Dubai right now. And my profession was a dentistry pero hindi po yun ang naging naging trabaho natin. So minsan madami sa OFW kahit anong kurso niyan, pagdating po sa abroad, hindi na po yun yung nagiging trabaho kasi we normally accept yung mga trabaho kahit hindi mo linya, nililinya mo na lang for the sake of making money. Correct me if I'm wrong, but majority po ganun. Pero yung iba naman talaga, kung ano yung kurso, like an engineers or lawyers or doctors, they can become like that. But majority po, tulad po namin, I'm undergraduate from dentistry, naging buntistry. Yun. So yun siya, no? So yun po siya. And this is my page po. You can follow me here in TikTok, FB, IG, and YouTube po. Meron po tayo din si Rene Capua. Yung mismong aking account is nasa professional mode. So you can follow me. I'm uploading nowadays a lot of reels para sa inyong para motivational or inspirational po para sa bawat isa. Alright? So enough talking about me. Let's talk about Live Good. This is the 6th reason bakit kailangan mo sumali kay Live Good. First is we have an amazing products. Ibig sabihin po, si company is maraming magagandang produkto na talaga papakinabangan mo dito kay Live Good. And ang pinakamaganda, there's an incredible prices. So mag-e-enjoy ka talaga. Bakit? Kasi nga, ang gaganda na, ang mumura pa. Diba? In other company, you cannot buy a very affordable prices kapag sila sinabing quality, they have an excuses. Kaya nga mahal kasi magaganda. Dito hindi. Magaganda ang produkto pero ang mumura niya. And dito sa company na to, tinanggal na po yung mga nagpapahirap sa mga distributor or members. Kung ikaw ay meron ng experience sa network marketing, meron po ang ibang company na naglalagay sila ng auto shipping. Dito kay Livegood wala na. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin niyan? It means yung income mo babawasan nila automatic for the sake na bumili ka ng products automatically. Alright? So wala na po tayong ganyan dito and we don't have requirements na product na bibilin mo every month para lang makuha ang commission mo. It's not requirements at all here. And then, eto, just in case na mag-enjoy ka at gusto mo ang product and then suddenly biglang nagbagong isip mo, the company are very confident. They will give you 90 days money back guarantee. Wala po silang tatanungin kung bakit mo susuli ang products kasi sila po ay naniniwala na alam nila na ang product natin na maganda at magugustuhan mo yan. Empty bottle, pwede mo isoli kung gusto mo. Walang kalaman-laman yung soli mo, babalik nila yung pera mo, hindi ka nila tatanungin kung bakit mo ibinalik. That's why we call our company the #1 business to join right now in 2023 and to the upcoming years to come. All right? So ano ba si Live Good? Para maintindihan natin, si Live Good po kasi is a home business opportunity. And Live Good is not about overpriced products, but about saving people's money on the health products. Ibig sabihin po, if you have a passion for health and wellness, this business is for you. And then if you have a passion for helping people, yun ang pinakamaganda kasi marami ka talagang matutulungan dito. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, so hindi po tayo get-rich-quick scheme. So ibig sabihin, this is a get-rich scheme. Pwede kayong maman dito, pero hindi po katulad ng papangako ang ka-specific na kaagad ang kikitain mo in just a matter of a year. Hindi po tayo ganun. Okay, that's why it's really amazing opportunity sa bawat isa. Kasi si Live Good is a club membership that pay. Yun po yung ibig sabihin yan. Ibig sabihin, bago na po ang konsepto ni Live Good, hindi na po ito yung tulad ng mga nasalihan mo. At ang dami ko nakikita mga Facebook posts na mga, syempre may mga positive and syempre hindi naman tayo mawalan. Sabi ko nga kapag nasa taas ka talaga, babatuhin ka. And those people who's trying to say something bad about it. Wala naman tayong magagawa doon kasi karapatan naman nila yan, Facebook naman nila yan. Pero yun nga, wala namang karapatan ng bawat isa na manira. Pero yun na nga, but before you do that, you have to make your own research kasi baka mapahiya ka, my friend, kasi hindi mo alam ang sinasabi mo, 'di ba? You are talking against 600 plus 600,000 members. So if you are one person and becoming a very smart person to talk about against in one company, I dare you to research it first kasi you can earn money here as a club member of Live Good, whether or not you refer other members to the program. Tama po yung naririnig ninyo, kahit wala kang nai-repair, pwede kang kumita dito as long as ikaw ay club member. Paano magiging club member? Mamaya papaliwanag natin yan. Paano magiging tuloy-tuloy na club member ka? At alam mo naman siguro na nakasali ka na or naka-join ka na sa mga club membership anywhere in your location. So for sure, depende po yan kasi we're talking about international. Marami pa mga club membership na sinasalihan natin and we don't even make money. That's why Live Good is club membership that pay. All right? So yun po siya. Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused on wellness and digital services. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Meaning to say we're dealing with the two major industry right now. The wellness is the huge industry and digital services po. That's why Live Good nowadays is talaga nagiging talk of the town siya kasi ang ganda po talaga ng ginawa ng company nito. Not becoming a bias to other company, they are also good. But of course, the system right now here in Live Good is innovated na. All right, so this is the evolution of network marketing. So we are already, talagang we having more than 600,000 members na po talaga tayo. And we have an office in Jupiter Park dito sa may Florida, not in Pampanga but in USA. Okay? So sa USA po tayo. Baka mamaya, uy, nasa Florida, Pampanga pala sila, 'di ba? So hindi po tayo doon. And disclaimer lang, the information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice. Ulitin ko, we're not investment advice. We are not financial advice or trading advice or any sort of advice, no? So you can find any advisor, no? So ganun po ang gagawin natin kung gusto mo ng mga advisor dyan. Okay, so nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold cryptocurrency. Okay, so dito po pwede ka pang bumili para mag-activate. Bibili ka pang activate mo lang ng cryptocurrency sa ibang platform po yun ginagawa. Pero you can also earn cryptocurrency pero doon po papadala sa crypto wallet mo, hindi po tayo nakakapag-hold. Ibig sabihin, we're not trading cryptocurrency. And take note, Live Good is not an investment company. It is illegal for a promoter or a participant in the program to persuade anyone to make payment promising benefits from getting others to join. Do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. Okay? So, wag po tayong sa mga members, pag po kayo mangako na investment po ito, hindi po tayo investment. And pangalawa po, dun sa mga sasali po, pagka po may nangangako ng ganun, hindi po kami ganun. Hindi po ganun sa Live Good. Ngayon pa lang po sinasabihan ko na kayo, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but it's not an investment company. This is a real business po. Okay? So you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectation of a specific high result or financial returns. Kasi marami talaga nangangako ngayon, lalo na usong-uso yung mga crypto na yan. Diba? And they are promising like parang, sige, sali ka lang, yung 200 mo, gawin natin 7,000. O, diba? Wow. So, pwede ka namang ma-attract doon. Pero yun nga, sabihin ko sa'yo, yun nga, wala po talagang tumatagal. Sometimes may mga patunay talaga na kumikita. They need to do that. Pero yun nga, I'm sorry, but it will not last long talaga. I've been there, I've experienced it. I've become also one of the promoter. Pero yun nga po, nasira po ang pangalan natin. So be careful po. I'm not stopping you. Kung gusto mong i-risk ang pangalan mo sa ganong klase ng company, just do it. But do your independent research. And I will help you how to do the research. Ito po. Kung gusto mo mag-research, you can check it out on this kind of advisor. So this Scam Advisor website is really functional. And those people who are using it actually are benefiting from it, even me myself, kasi may nag-alok din naman sa akin ng ganun-ganun, no? Mag-offer lang ako dito ng ganyan-ganyan. Alam mo, ito, 1 month lang after nung pagka-offer sa akin, 1 month lang talagang wala na kaagad. Hindi naman totally nawala, pero niya, binago na kaagad yung sistema kasi malaki na yung kanilang natawag natin na, crowdfunding. It's like a crowdfunding. Kung totoong kikita ng $200 mo magiging 5,000, baka si Bill Gates, si Mark Zuckerberg, o kaya naman si Elon Musk, ano na dyan, sumali na sa inyo dyan, di ba? So, why you are looking for people who are ignorant on that kind of business, And tinatawag natin, sinasabi natin ng mga late adopters or doesn't even know exactly what's going on in the process. Kung hindi ka mang scam, and pag mas malaki ang nilabas mo, mas malaki magiging pera mo. So I'm not against with that, but you have to do your own independent research. This website can be used for you, and then kung ano sinasabi dito, bahala ka kung papakinggan mo. Basta ako, I suggest to you na wag ka lang makikinig sa isang tao. Like me, I'm saying to you na may magandang company, you research also. You do your own research. Ako, I'm becoming fair and square to each and everyone here. So, ito ang sinabi niya, this website has been reported by scam killers as a possible scam. And trust score niya, 1/100. Sasali ka? Bahala ka, di ba? So, ganyan, bahala ka na dyan. Then, when I check one company and other company po, may mga iba po, mga 47 ang score, yung mga Philippine company na na-check ko, meron namang iba, 67. When I check Live Good, ito yung lumabas. Then you yourself, you can check it out if I'm lying. Kasi lahat naman kayo may internet, kaya kayo nakikinig sa akin eh. So meaning to say, you can check it out kung okay ba si Live Good or hindi. Alright? So kayo nang bahala doon mag-decide. So the high trust ratings is already written in this website. They are not owned by Live Good company kasi pwede mo i-search lahat to. And then yung trust score niya is 100/100. Doon pa lang alam ko na kagad. Sabi ko, this gives me a confidence to join. Actually, ito talaga. Sabi ko, okay. So, pwede naman pala. Kasi pwede ko tanungin kahit sino man nag-aalok sa akin kasi sasabihin naman nila maganda. Kahit nga to, sasabihin nila maganda. Kasi syempre, member sila. Para magdamay-damay na lang ba? Diba? So, ganun siya. So, this one will give you every information to help you and assist you or guide you. Yun nga, para makapag-check ka. So, kahit lagay mo dyan. Wag lang yung pangalan ng juwa mo. Baka mamaya yung trust score niya 1/100. Mahirap na. So just giving you an advice. All right? So our mission is to help people to get healthy, stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Ang galing ko mag-English, no? Pero binabasa ko lang yan, my friend. All right? So ito siya. So this mission is really strong, and those people who really doesn't understand it, kasi po nowadays kasi talaga ang dami nagkakaset. Ako nalulungkot ako pag kami naririnig ako. Kanina lang meron ako nakita na naman. One of my friend pass away because of sudden talagang bata pa. So talagang you have, guys, please invest in your health. Yun na lang. Kung talagang ayaw mong gawin yung business, invest in your health. Yun lang siya. No? Kasi alam mo, your health is gonna be your wealth. Kasi mauubos ang lahat ng kayamanan mo pag nasira ang health mo, I'm telling you. And one of my friends is not even messaging me kahit nag-aalok na ako ng kung ano. Dati pa, for how many years? Like 5 years, 6 years, suddenly nag-message sa akin just to ask for a money, for a help, for this kind of situation. Alam mo yun, sabi ko, I really, talagang nakakalungkot. But guys, please, invest in your health. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. Kasi, sabi nga nila is, prevention is better than cure. Bakit? Ba't ko nasabi yun? Kasi po, napakalaki po ng mauubos talaga eh. Ang laki ng matitipid mo eh. Kasi, alam ba, mas mahal? Ang maging healthy ka right now at maging okay ka, maging talagang nakakagalaw ka ng maayos, okay sa may sakit ka na, saka ka lang mag-take care of your health. And uubusin niyan talaga pera mo. Kahit anong pera mo. I will tell you. And yun na nga, please. Okay? Hindi mo uubusin ang pera mo dito kay Live Good kung sakali maging member ka dito kasi nga napakamumura ng mga products dito at ang gaganda pa. You will enjoy it. Alright?